Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a great weekend. Let's look at our calendar today. We did have a weekend, so we need to turn 2 more days over since we last did our calendar. We had Saturday, the 18th, then we had Sunday, the 19th. And do you remember what month we're in? That's right, we're in the month of April. Let's spell it together. Capital A-P-R-I-L, April. If you notice, boys and girls, there's a special marker already turned over right here on Wednesday. Can you see what that's a picture of? It's a picture of the earth. And Wednesday is Earth Day. And that's what we're going to be talking about, learning about this week. Yesterday was Sunday, April the 19th. What day comes after Sunday? Sunday, Monday. What comes after 19? Let's see if we can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you say 20? And then, if we look at that, let's see if we can figure out our pattern. We'll start right here. Purple, yellow, red, green. Purple, yellow, red, green. What color is that umbrella going to be? Did you say purple? So today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. This is the book we're going to read in just a few minutes, but before we get to that book, let's review our popcorn words from last week. T-H-E-R-E. Do you remember what that spells? There. There. F-I-N-D, find, find. Today we have 3 new words we're going to add. Y-O-U-R, that spells your. Spell it with me. Y-O-U-R. How many letters are in the word your? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. Your. Is that your teddy bear? Your. And then W-H-E-R-E spells where. W-H-E-R-E spells where. Where is your teddy bear? Where? I thought we had 3. We just have 2. Excuse me, boys and girls. And let's look right here. I wrote a question. What shapes do you see? Did you say circle? What shape is this? 1, 2, 3. Has 3 points and 3 sides. Do you remember the name of that shape? It's a triangle. This one has 4 equal sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. That one was called a square. This one has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. It also has 4 corners. Do you remember what that one's called? A rectangle. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a couple of words, and I'm going to read the book, and then we'll come back and look at this again. This word says reduce, and reduce means to use less of something. Reduce. This word says reuse, to use things again or use them in a new way. And this word says recycle, to send something away to be created into something completely new. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Those are some words we're going to be learning about this week and talking about. And I'm going to read our book for us. And I want you to listen to see if there was any reducing or reusing or recycling going on in our book, the Earth Book. The author of this book is Todd Park. And I see a beautiful picture here of the earth. What do you notice the children are doing? Kind of holding it, and then what's right here in the middle? Yeah, a heart. The Earth Book by Todd Park. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper, and I bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees, and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet when I brush my teeth, and I use less water for my baths because I love fish, and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus, and I ride my bike because I love the stars, and I want the air to be clear so that I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate, and I save my leftovers. Because I love watching things grow, and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can, and I recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass, and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Ten ways I can help the earth. 1, I can turn off the lights. 2, I can recycle. 3, I can save my leftovers. 4, I can be nice to the worms. 5, I can share a book. 6, I can plant a tree. 7, use both sides of the paper. 8, I can save water. 9, I can clean up trash. And 10, I can put my underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd, the author. Well, Todd sure gave us several ideas of things that we can do to reduce, to use less of something. He talked about turning the water off when he was brushing his teeth and not using as much water when he was taking a bath. That would be an example of reducing. Reusing things again and again in a new way would be an example. Would be when he used the bag at the store. He kept taking the same bag to the store and filling it up instead of getting a new bag every time he went. That would be an example of reusing, or even turning the paper over on the back side and using both sides of your paper. That would be an example of reusing. And recycling is sending something away to be created into something new. And he talked about taking plastics and paper and aluminum and glass and cardboard. Those are all things that we can recycle. If we collect them, we can take them to a recycling center and they will make them into something new. This week, boys and girls, we're going to be talking all about our earth and ways that we can take care of it too. We want it to be happy and healthy. We want all our friends to be able to enjoy it. Miss Hunter's going to pop in a little bit later with a fun craft of something that you can make and a story that goes along with that. So check back so that you can catch her activity after a while. See you soon.